What's up, guys? Mabs again. So let's discuss in much more detail how we can actually find these opportunities using our new trading system to find opportunities in the forex trading market. Okay. So remember, guys, this is an ideal situation that we want to have when there is a buying opportunity. Okay. So in a buying opportunity, we want the market to already be in an uptrend. Okay. And then within an uptrend, we want to buy after the market pulls back. Okay. After the market sort of breathes and takes a deep breath. And when we want to ride the wave when it continues moving in the direction of the trend. So in an uptrend, we want to buy after the pullback. So then the question is, how do we find pullbacks in the market? So I'm going to show you with our trading system that we've been using to find trending opportunities in the forex market. All right, so let's have a look at how to find buying opportunities. Okay, so remember, guys, the first thing that we want to look at is we want to see the overall trend of the market. So what we're going to do is we're going to direct our attention to the bottom of the screen, and then we want to see what this indicator is telling us. So as you can see down there, guys, we can see that almost all the indicators are showing us that the market is moving in an upward direction. Okay, and then the next thing we want to see is we want to see confirmation of the trend using our secondary indicator right there, which you can see the first thing there, we can see what we're trading. And then if it says here trending phase and it's green, that means that the market is trending to the upside. And then if these other indicators are pointing to the upside, that means that we are in a strong bullish trend, okay, which means that we are supposed to be looking for buy opportunities at this moment. Okay. And then at this stage, this is when we can actually look for buy opportunities when we actually look at our indicator. So now, how do we find the pullbacks? Okay. We know that the overall market is going to the top side. We're looking for buy trades. So, what are the things that we need to see in order to get a buy trade? Okay. So, the first thing we want to see, guys, we want to see like a solid blue line. So, if you look here at the center of the screen right there, there's a solid blue line right there. Okay, that solid blue line over there means that this is the initial move, this is the impulse movement. Okay, and that's the first move, right? And then after the impulse movement, there is a pullback, there is a correction. So you see this blue band right here, this blue line, this blue signal line. If this blue signal line turns to red, that means that we are in a pullback. Okay, so when it turns to red, that's the pullback right there. Okay, and then after the pullback is done, the red signal line will turn to blue again, which indicates to us that we need to get in for buy. So there will be an arrow or second arrow pointing to the top side. You can see the first arrow started at the bottom of the initial move, and then the second arrow is here at the end of the pullback. So when we see the second arrow at the end of the pullback, that's when we actually jump in for our buy trade. Okay, and then obviously we'll be using our boxes, our daily support and daily resistance to get our take profit and then our stop loss level. So that's how easy it is to find buy opportunities with this trading system.